My name is Katie, and I am the marketing director for Rubenstein Law. When I started working here, we were one office, which was Miami, and we were less than 30 employees. It was a small office, one floor, and through the years, it's night and day compared to what it was when I first started working here. He's a household name. I mean, I remember we would watch Hispanic television like Telemundo and Univision, and his commercials would come on, and my grandmother would imitate him and say, "Yo quiero ser su abogado," and I remember laughing and giggling at my grandmother, and that was me as a 6-year-old, 7-year-old.
This is my first job in the legal field, and I also find that to be very interesting because there's a lot of new things that you can learn, and even for your personal life and knowledge. I've unfortunately had 2 accidents, which Rubenstein has represented me for, and it's been a great experience.
Nobody wants to be in an accident, and a lot of times this is the first time that happens to people, and it's very scary not knowing what you can do, what your insurance covers, what are your benefits. So it's very nice to give the knowledge to people and be there to comfort them and help them, receive some sort of compensation for all their needs.
As the Florida law firm, we are very diverse, and that's what makes us so approachable by our clients.
We're able to have that family environment in a place where it's so big that you wouldn't expect it to be so close-knit and tight.
My name is Lázaro Gallego. I'm the project manager for Rubenstein Law, and I've been working here for 7 years. I started here as a file clerk, and I've worked my way up since then. I've held many positions here, from office services, scanning in the imaging department, and administrative assistant to now project manager.
We like promoting within because we do recognize talent and we do recognize hard work. Everybody wants to move up in the ladder, so who better than choosing our own staff? We already know them, we know their work ethic, we know they do a good job, and we like giving people chances to move up in our company.
We have people that have been here for 22, 17, 18, 10, and I think that that's a pattern that you see in law firms that invest into their people. The loyalty that it builds, it's huge. And I think it's a big deal. When we see that commitment, you want to give back to that employer. You want to give back to that company that gave so much to you.
Payday means breakfast for everybody. So we do get breakfast catered every payday. I think that they want to keep us happy, and people like food, so we like to eat.
You have great benefits both within the firm and outside of the firm. Within the firm, of course, you have your paid time off, which is invaluable for many of us. You have benefits in terms of health, dental, vision insurance, short and long-term disability should anything happen to you.
Bob, Nicole, the firm loves to take care of their employees. Being with the firm for so many years, 401k has been just phenomenal, something to fall back on and not even stress about.
Our time off is great. I have a 5-year-old, and sometimes it gets hard when, school calls with an emergency, and that's always very helpful.
To be able to make sure that my kids have insurance and they have coverage that they need, or, recently my son ended up having an accident, and having that, it helped me get through the time that we needed to be off of work.
Me being a soon-to-be mom for the first time, there's a comfort knowing that I work for a company where I feel like my son's future and my son's health and my health are secure. There's a lot of support here. They're very generous, and it's a nice feeling knowing that you come to work where your firm supports you in that way.
Beyond that, you have these out-of-the-firm benefits, which involve being involved in the community. At many other firms, you might not have that ability of giving back to your community in an even bigger way, but Rubenstein Law does give you that opportunity. So we have walks. Recently, we helped participate in helping a school build up their first fruit garden. So you can participate in every which way you can imagine.
The best part of my job is knowing that I come to a company where we're the good guys. We have a good reputation. We do everything by the book. Our clients love us. We spend so much money on advertising, radio, TV, billboards, but our biggest source of referral is word of mouth. That means that our clients are happy with us. It shows in the client's satisfaction with their cases, their client's satisfaction with their settlements, and it's a good feeling knowing that you come to work and you're part of the success of this firm.
The Rubenstein Cafe is where we all meet up to have lunch, and we're not having lunch outside the office. We have a vending machine. We have these amazing coffee machines that I had never seen before. The work environment here is absolutely synergistic, I think would be the best word to describe it. They foster such a sense of teamwork. You get to learn so much, not only from your fellow litigation assistants, but also from the paralegals, the attorneys. It's something that's always constantly changing, and it's fast-paced, but I wouldn't want to be anywhere else in here.
Management goes to bat for you, and it makes you feel valued. It makes you be like, I want to go above and beyond because I want to make Rubenstein grow. I want to make everybody here proud.
Our slogan is Your Florida Law Firm. We've grown substantially in regards to offices and staff and attorneys, and now Nicole is the future. Nicole's taking over, and she does such a wonderful job, and she's so well respected that Robert is laying the foundation for the future so that this firm continues to go on and his legacy continues to go on.
And everybody helps everybody. I don't think there's not one position here that dictates or presents himself as more important than any other body. Everybody knows that we are a machine with many moving parts and we all play a role.
If you're thinking about getting a job here at Rubenstein Law, I think that you would be making a good choice because you would have stability, you would be able to grow even if it's from entry level and move on up the ladder.
If you're looking to get a job here, we will tell you one thing. It's a fantastic company to work for. We look for hardworking, we look for work ethic, we look for team players, we look for people who want to be part of a culture, part of a family, who want to make friends here. Send in your resume and you won't look back. I mean, we've had people like myself that have been here for over 15 years and it's home. This is home to me.